Training your dog is not easy. Do not worry. Today, we bring you an app that helps train it. Dogo is a fantastic application, very complete, that helps us to educate and train our little dog companion. This is completely free. You can find this application for free on iOS and Android. This app is designed to educate both dogs that just have been born as well as adult dogs. The programs and exercises are personalized based on the questions that each user answers. Dogo adapts to the characteristics of each dog according to his age, behavior, and what he already knows how to do. When you download and open the app, what you have to do is enter your dog's age, how he behaves, if he bites, if he urinates, if he is able to sit alone. Based on that information and behavior, Dogo's exercises and programs are adapted. The exercises and programs are distributed in games to educate and teach your dog manners. One of Dogo's strongest points is that it has clicker. This is a sound signal to mark the behaviors of the dog when they are taught something. With this sound, it is easier to teach good behaviors, since they associate it with the noise that the app will constantly make. In addition to the games and exercises that the app provides for the dog, it also has certain articles to inform more about behavior, nutrition, activities to do with them, and much more information that will be of great use and learning for you and your pet.